this is something that we completely made up and did ourselves. And so it made me more like independent with the stuff that I create.
At some of the things that our kids are doing that are creative and our teachers are leading them through, that are creative and innovative, and teaching them to think differently and think for a world that we don't even know what it's going to look like yet.
We need to celebrate the remarkable achievements of our students and showcase the incredible work being done by